Friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the Realme GT2 device for about 24,749 rupees after the 10,000 rupees discount on this device. Yes, when there has been huge sale going on in the Flipkart website, so this 10,000 rupees discount you will be getting only under certain conditions. So for example, you need to have the SBI credit card and you need to pay only with the EMI transactions only. Try to understand again, because only with the SBI credit card only you can get this discount. Even if you try any other bank discount, you cannot get the discount. Only use the SBI credit card, not the debit card, credit card. Try to double check again, because I'm getting so many comments saying that the offer is not available. I'm unable to get the 10,000 rupees discount. But yes, the offer is available. I did ask my subscribers as well. A lot of them, they did comment with the same thing as well, as you can see. So the offer is still available, but just a few days back I did buy another mobile phone. But anyway, I did ask some of my subscribers to check the offer is available or not, and yes, the offer is available only on the SBI credit card transactions. So if you need to do the EMI transactions, not the direct payment, don't do direct payment, because if you try to do the direct payment, you will get only 5,000 rupees discount. If you do the EMI transactions, only then you will get the 10,000 rupees discount. Right now, as you can see from this official website, Flipkart website, while I'm trying to open this application, you can clearly see what's going on and select different as well. But one more quick note, try to understand. If you try to use the 24 months of EMI transaction, that interest will be charged 4,000. If you try to use only 3 months, the interest will be charged only 580. Calculate, try to check in this way, try to check, use 6 months or 9 months. If you use 9 months, 1,400. So it's better to use only 3 months and to get the 580 rupees as interest as charged. If you try to select obviously 24 months, the interest will be very high. Don't select 24 months. Try to select 3 months or 6 months. That's the one thing, common sense, try to use, and try to use this offer to buy it. Don't think the interest rates are very high, but try to use this information which is provided. If you use 18 months, 3,000. 1 year if you try to use 1,917. You can see these are the interest rate will be charged by the bank. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and in this way you will be able to buy the Realme GT2 device for about 24,749 rupees. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. I'll then straight of more updates, and bye. Right now the out of stock is going on few models and few color variants as well. So make sure to utilize this opportunity as soon as possible. Until then, signing off and bye. If you watch this video after 2 months or 1 month, after maybe 10 hours or 15 hours, you may not be able to get this offer. Try to grab it as soon as possible. Until then, signing off and bye.